Should I?
What?
Should I eat an envelope?
Yeah, sure. Bye.
Okay. Question of the day. Okay. The question of the day I'm gonna try if I can eat this envelope that I wrote my rap on. So let's see. Okay. 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 I'm gonna try to eat a piece of it first. It's really hard to chew. Okay, let me see if I can swallow it. It got stuck in my tooth. Oh my gosh, it's stuck in my cavity. Okay. I just swallowed a piece of envelope. Okay. Eating into that piece. It's pretty hard to eat an envelope.
Are you recording it right now?
Yep, right now. Ow. I just swallowed another piece of envelope. This is so probably gonna mess up my stomach. Does your stomach burn paper, like acid in your stomach? Does it like, or does it just stay there?
Catch on fire. And burn off.
My stomach's like a volcano. Okay, I'm gonna try to eat this last piece. It's a really big piece of envelope. It's like swallowing a pill. I felt it go down my throat really slow. I just ate some envelope. Awesome. I'm really thirsty now.